Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies from a box mix. First, gather your ingredients and preheat the oven. You will typically need 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of water, but always check your specific box instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, as directed. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process and delicious results. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. Whisk these wet ingredients together until well blended. Then, add the entire contents of your brownie mix packet. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until the ingredients are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough brownies. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Spread the batter to the edges using a spatula. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for the time specified on the box, typically between 25 and 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Avoid overbaking for fudgy brownies. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial. Once baked, remove your brownies from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This can take at least 1 hour or even longer. Cooling allows the brownies to set properly, preventing them from crumbling when you cut them. For neat slices, use a plastic knife. Now you can cut and serve your perfectly fudgy brownies. Enjoy your delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.